Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. What? That popped right out of that. Did you see that? That popped right out of it. That was so cool. It was like, whoop. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan. Mangoes, blueberries, dates, hemp hearts, full-fat coconut milk, nutmeg, cinnamon, bananas. What do all those things have in common, guys? Brain health, anti-inflammatory, skin, hair, indigestion, bloating, fiber. What are we doing today? Blueberry mango smoothie, guys. Let's get it. Alright guys, let's go ahead and make this smoothie right now. Everything underneath the sun, packed with antioxidants, you name it. We're just going to go ahead and whip it together. It's going to be so yummy. How do I know? Because I always make it, guys. So we have 2 bananas. If you don't want it that creamier or that thick, go ahead and use 1.5 or 1. Use more full-fat coconut milk, whatever the case may be. Anything in any of my videos, you can go ahead and substitute. Let's go ahead and do about a cup of mangoes. These are going to be frozen. We're going to do some blueberries also. These are wild blueberries, guys. A little bit smaller, potent with anti-inflammatory properties. Very nice. 2 dates. That's all you need for the hair follicles, guys. We have some hemp hearts. Look at those. If you've never had hemp hearts, those are the insides of the hemp seeds. Very soft, very palatable. You can go ahead and make your own. You can make your own milk with that, like I do in some of my videos, guys. If you've never had hemp hearts, I suggest you go out and buy a little packet and check them out for yourself. High fiber, protein is huge. Branched chain amino acids are nice in that thing. A really good profile. We have cinnamon and nutmeg. Nutmeg. Love it, love it, love it. A little bit goes a long way. Indigestion, bloating. Love the nutmeg. Then we have full fat, exactly, coconut milk. The good fat, guys. All right. We're going to add a little bit of water here. Look at the color change on that. Wow. Probably right about there. Give it some blending room. This puppy's on. Liquefy it. We are good to go. Yummy, yummy, yummy. The color is vibrant. Purple, coming right at you. If you don't have a blender, you can go ahead and use a food processor. I use that in the past. You can use a a very expensive blender or a low-end blender. It doesn't matter. This is from the 1970s, guys. Future Series, Wearing Pro. This is coming together nicely. Got my big glass. We're going to rock it. We're going to stop that. This thing is a beast. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 different types of blending modes, guys. I love it. Take that off. Put that over here. The consistency on this is beautiful. Wow. Look at that. Right to the top, guys, with some left over. That right there is phenomenal. If you want some, you got one, guys. Thanks for watching The Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph. Be well, be safe, be yourself, and I'll see you next time, guys.